Hey guys, CryptoDad here, and today I'm going to show you how to buy Polymath on Bittrex. So let's get going. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is launch my Brave browser. If you're not using the Brave browser, I encourage you to. It blocks ads, it blocks tracking, it does all sorts of cool stuff. And I have an affiliate link down in the description. I encourage you to go out and download and use the Brave browser. So let's check out the Polymath website. So Polymath is a company that's in the securities token space. And basically what that means is they're going to take stocks, what we would normally think of as stocks, and digitize them into blockchain-based tokens. And this will increase security and usability and everything else that you get as a benefit of using the blockchain. So it's a new space, and instead of an ICO, they're called STOs, security token offerings. Okay? So anyway, enough about Polymath. If you're here, you probably want to know how to buy it. So I'm going to show you a way to buy it on Bittrex. So let's check out Bittrex. All right, and I'm going to use my little password manager to get into my account, along with my two-step verification. I encourage you all to enable two-step verification on all your cryptocurrency accounts. All right, so we want to go over here to wallets, and we're going to check to see. First of all, let's check US dollar. You can use US dollars on a Bittrex account. They do have US dollar exchanges yet, but you'll notice here that deposits are not enabled yet. So as far as I know, you cannot use your bank account to deposit money into your Bittrex account. So how are you going to buy a token on Bittrex if you have no way to fund it with US dollars? Well, what you're going to have to do is deposit a cryptocurrency. There are many wallets that you can deposit. Now you can deposit Tether and true US dollar, but I'm not going to show you how to do that today. What I'm going to do is show you how to deposit Litecoin into your Bittrex account, because it is the fastest way to fund your Bittrex account. So we're going to start at CoinBase. I'm going to log into my CoinBase account. We'll just sign in, and I have two-factor authentication enabled on my CoinBase account, of course. Get in there. And the first thing I'm going to do is buy some Litecoin, quick and easy. I'm going to go over here to the Buy Sell tab, hit Litecoin, and then instead of the bank method, I'm going to use the debit card method. This is very important. You want to use debit card because if you use the bank account, it's going to take 2 or 3 days to clear. So I'm going to use my debit card. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to use $50. This is how I can use my US dollars, right? I've got it tied to my debit card. I'm going to click Buy Litecoin instantly, and I'm going to confirm that. And then if we go over here to accounts, you can see that I immediately have that Litecoin available in my account. Quick and easy. All right. Now, I want to transfer this into my Bittrex account, but I don't want to incur any fees on the Litecoin network. So I'm going to quickly do another little trick, which is going to CoinBase Pro, which is the sister company of Coinbase, obviously. And you can use CoinBase Pro to trade and transfer without incurring any fees. It's a great platform. I encourage you to use CoinBase Pro. So the first thing we need to do is get that Litecoin into my CoinBase Pro. I'm going to go over here to My Wallets, hit Deposit, and I'm going to select Litecoin, right? Because I already have some Litecoin. I'm going to go over here to my CoinBase Pro Litecoin wallet, and you can see I've got a Litecoin balance in my Coinbase. We just bought that. I'm going to transfer all of it into my CoinBase Pro. Hit deposit, and boom. Now I have the money in my CoinBase Pro wallet. Now here is where I'm going to transfer over to Bittrex. All right, so we'll go back over here to Bittrex. All right, I'm still logged in, and we'll go over here to wallets, and we're going to choose LTC. Going to show zero balances. There's my Litecoin wallet, completely empty at the moment, but I can deposit. So I'm going to make a deposit. All right, and there's the address of the Litecoin wallet on my Bittrex account. Your account has many different wallets within it. I'm going to go over here to CoinBase Pro and make a withdrawal of my Litecoins, and I'm going to choose withdrawal, and I'm going to withdraw Litecoin, and the destination is going to be that address that I just copied from Bittrex. I'm going to transfer all of it and hit withdrawal, and I'm going to enter my two-factor authentication code for Coinbase. Funny, they both tie together. All right, I'm going to choose withdraw funds, and I am done. All right, now we're going to have to wait a little bit for the Litecoin to show up in my Bittrex wallet. Okay, so now I've got the Litecoin balance in my wallet here on Bittrex, and it was right at the 18-minute mark. So I initiated the transfer from CoinBase Pro at 8:35, and at 8:53 I have the Litecoin spendable, which is what we're after. All right, so now we need to get this Litecoin into a form that we can use to buy Polymath, and I'm going to choose Ethereum. So we'll go over here to LTC, and we're going to sell our Litecoin for Ethereum. We're just going to sell it all for Ethereum. So I'm going to choose sell here, and I'm going to do a conditional. I'm going to do an immediate. I want to get this done quickly. Okay, and I can just go up here to one of these cells. I'll choose what appears to be the highest price at the moment and choose sell, right? And then it wants me to confirm that. I'm going to confirm, and it goes through right away. All right, now all we have left to do is get our Polymath, right? So let's go back over here to the ETH market and choose Poly, right? And I want to buy Polymath. I'm going to buy as much as I can with the Ethereum that I have. So we're going to go over here to buy Polymath. I'm going to go to immediate, so it happens right away. And I'm just going to go up here to buy, and it looks like I'm getting the cheapest price here that I can. I'm going to choose buy, and then I need to confirm that, and that order goes through right away as well. All right, so now I can just go back over here to my wallets, and let's get this out of here. We'll hide zero balances, and there you can see I've got Polymath. I got 125 Polymath. All right, so there you go. It didn't take me too long. I had to jump through a few hoops, but I got the Polymath relatively quickly in cryptocurrency terms. Less than half an hour. All right, so I'm going to do a little bonus here. I'm going to show you how to store it on your Ledger Nano S. I've got my Ledger Nano S, and I just need to enter my PIN code. Right. So I go into my Ethereum app. I'm going to choose both buttons here, and I need to go to my settings and make sure that contract data is a yes, and browser support is also a yes, right? All right, now I'm going to go over here to the MyEtherWallet website. All right, I'm just going to go to View Wallet Info, and I'm going to choose the Ledger wallet and connect to Ledger. And it's already pre-selected here. I'm going to choose Unlock Wallet. And this is my Ethereum address. Now, this is the address that I'm going to transfer my Polymath to. As you can see, I already have a little bit of Polymath. If you don't see Polymath here, just choose Show All Tokens and scroll on down to Polymath. right? And you see it right there. It will say click to load. So you just click it and it loads up and you'll see that zero balance, which you're going to want to see the zero balance so you'll know that you've got new Polymath coming in, right? In my case, I have a balance in there already. So we're going to take this Ethereum address, we're going to copy it into our clipboard, and we're going to go back over here to our Bittrex, and we're going to choose withdrawal Polymath, right? And we're going to send it to my Ethereum address. And I'm just going to get it all. I've got 125, so I'm just going to take 125, and I need 1 to pay the fee. So I'm just going to do, well, I'll just do 4. I'll leave a little bit in there. So I'm going to take 124 out, and I'm going to choose that Polymath fee there, and then I'm going to choose withdrawal poly, right? I'm going to click that, and I need to put in my two-factor authentication to confirm that, and withdraw poly. All right, and then all we have to do now is wait for the poly to appear in our Ledger Nano S. Okay, and now you can see that the new balance is reflected in my EtherWallet. Now, the reason I'm using MyEtherWallet to view this Ethereum address is that the Ledger Nano wallet app does not support viewing tokens. They will be there. You just won't be able to see the balances with your Ledger Nano wallet app. So that's why you have to use MyEtherWallet to access the Ethereum address that you've got on the Ledger, and you can see the addresses and balances of all of your tokens. All right, and we can even check out history of transactions and look at token transfers and see that a couple of minutes ago I got 123 Polymath tokens from Bittrex. And so there you go. That's how you buy Polymath and then store it safely in your hardware wallet. Before I go, I would like to mention that I do have a live stream every Friday night at 6 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, the live Q&A from LA. So I invite you to come and throw out any questions that you may have, and I'll do my best to answer them on the spot. So if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new videos. Once again, thanks for joining. God damn it. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon. Thanks.